What's the meaning of caller ID? Caller ID. Caller ID.
Caller ID. Caller ID. Caller ID is a telephone feature that displays the phone number or name of a person calling. It allows the recipient of the call to identify who is calling before answering the phone. This feature is helpful in screening unwanted calls from telemarketers, scammers, or unknown numbers. Caller ID displays information on a device that supports it, such as a phone or other telecommunications device. With Caller ID, users can make informed decisions about whether to answer the call or not, based on the displayed information. This feature has become common on most modern devices and is a useful tool for managing incoming calls.